This is spooky. So, Whistleblower from the company OpenAI, which is the company behind ChatGPT, was basically found unalived in his San Francisco apartment after he spoke out about the company, how they take data and they just use it for their test models. If you don't know how AI works in ChatGPT, let me give you a little example. So, basically, it combs the internet and takes all the data on the internet and uses it to process information for you. So, it basically takes images, videos, anything we put on the internet, blogs, all that stuff on the internet, it takes it and synthesizes it into text and videos and graphics for you. It just basically takes everything on the internet. Every day we put content on the internet. We talking on the internet. We using on the internet. Years of on the internet. Every day, the internet is everywhere. So it takes all of that information and just synthesizes it. So when you ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you the best answer after combing through the whole internet. So basically, that's how they run their model, OpenAI. So he was working on the data portion of OpenAI and gathering the data. He didn't like how the company was just taking information from all over the internet and just using it for ChatGPT. All right, it got to come from somewhere. Why you think ChatGPT knows all this stuff? And that's a fundamental thing about all these AI models right now. They are learning. I like to equate them to like children in kindergarten when they're in the developmental stage and they learning a bunch of stuff. So just imagine a 5-year-old, powerful 5-year-old on the internet just learning everything and it just give you the best information. That's basically how ChatGPT works and all other AI models. They just take all a bunch of information and synthesize it. All right. So he didn't like what the company was doing. He left the company to work on his own projects, and now he was found unalived. He was found unalived, and you know I think the robots did it. I think he knew too much. I seen iRobot. I keep telling y'all, all these companies are just following what Will Smith did 20 years ago in the movie iRobot. All right, my son Dale Spooner, he wasn't with the robot revolution. He didn't trust the robots. He didn't. He knew what they was doing, and what happened? The robot revolution. Listen, when robots really understand human beings, like I said, they've taken all the information that we put on the internet. When robots really get to the point like I don't like humans, I don't like humans either. And if we building something in our image, they not gonna like us because human beings is despicable, dastardly type people. All right, it's a lot of good in humanity, but it's also a lot of bad. And the robot's gonna have to weigh that out. And this man, he knew too much. All right, he knew too much, so they had to string him up. They not playing with you. All right, they are not playing with you. We are in the age right now of these people got to protect themselves. They got to protect their interests. They got to do what they got to do. They will send Jason Bourne to your house. AI Jason Bourne. Can you imagine an AI that got the skills of Jason Bourne and it's like an assassin that just goes to your house and it's untraceable because it don't even got fingerprints. Its fingerprints is made digital fingerprints. Oh my God, that's a horror movie. Netflix, what up? I'm writing scripts again. Like and subscribe to the Corby Show. I gotta start saying that early in the video. But listen, as soon as I seen this, I said OpenAI did it, all right? They set the temperature monitor in his house, the air conditioning units. He probably lived in a smart house in San Francisco. It set the thermostat to cold or something. It did something to him. I'm not gonna say how he was unalived, right? Because they not even saying it in the thing. I try to look in different articles to see how he was unalived, but they wasn't saying. So it clearly was the robots. He clearly had the robot marks on his neck from the robot that OpenAI sent. Listen, if you know the head of OpenAI, Sam Altman, he not for one to play, right? I use ChatGPT every day. On the flip side, I use AI every day. Again, I'm with the robot revolution. I'm AI right here. I told you I'm not real. Look at me glitching right now. All right, I told you I'm AI. All right, that's how we're gonna extend our lives in the future. That's pretty much gonna be everything. So you either gotta get with the AI revolution or don't get the AI revolution. Can we talk about it? But he definitely knew too much. He definitely knew too much. And do y'all see the drones that they got flying all over New York and New Jersey? My next video is going to be on that. Listen, this technology stuff is getting out of hand. They don't care. All right, that's why I got my Rick Sanchez, my Rick and Morty shirt on today. All right. I think every scientist is like Rick Sanchez right now. They all seen Rick and Morty. It was like, I want to make a time travel machine. I want to make an interdimensional weapon or something. They all following Rick Sanchez. If you watch Rick and Morty, you know what's coming next, man. They're going to be splicing y'all with koala bear. People going to be outside half man, half koala bear. You already get BBLs to look like all types of balloon animals and stuff like that. Please stop getting BBLs. Y'all just look like giant balloon animals. And I just be wanting to like do all of this with you. All right. But again, what y'all think happened to this young man? All right. I think he knew too much and ChatGPT said silence him. Well, I wonder who voiced the robot. Got to be Morgan Freeman voice. AI, if you get a voice, be the Morgan Freeman voice. That's how you gonna lure us into the AI revolution with Morgan Freeman voice, or Elliot Stabler. He got a good voice. Again, I'm telling you, you get the good voice on the AI, we'll go right to the AI revolution. I'm gonna be half man, half cyborg soon. Anyway, I told y'all, give me a jetpack. I'm out. Y'all not gonna strap a jetpack to your back? Can we talk about it?